Here's a startling fact. By the time this video is over, around 38 seniors will have been hospitalized because of a fall. Many of these falls are directly linked to muscle loss, a preventable condition that robs an entire generation. After age 60, your body can quietly lose up to a third of its muscle mass. You might even feel perfectly healthy while it's happening. Researchers call this sarcopenia, and it's a hidden factor in nearly 87% of nursing home admissions, which can be devastating for families, both financially and emotionally. What's most alarming is that this muscle loss often happens without any obvious signs. There's no pain or clear symptoms, until one day you realize you can't get out of a chair without help, or a small stumble results in a serious fracture because your weakened muscles can no longer protect your bones. Groundbreaking research has identified specific foods with unique compounds that can help slow and even reverse this muscle wasting process. Even well into your 70s and 80s, let's explore 10 of the best foods to help you preserve your muscle mass as you age. Number 10. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a muscle-preserving powerhouse. It's strained to remove excess liquid, which means it has nearly double the protein of regular yogurt. A single serving can contain 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein, which is vital for maintaining muscle. It's especially rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that steadily releases amino acids. This makes it a great bedtime snack, as it helps prevent muscle breakdown overnight. Greek yogurt also provides calcium, vitamin D, and probiotics, which support bone health and nutrient absorption. For the best results, choose plain, full-fat yogurt, and add your own fruit or nut. Number 9. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines offer an incredible mix of nutrients for preserving muscle. Their most important component is omega-3 fatty acids, which are proven to reduce the inflammation that speeds up muscle loss. A 4-ounce serving of salmon also provides about 20 grams of complete protein. What really makes fatty fish special is that omega-3 south make your body more sensitive to protein, helping it stimulate muscle growth more effectively. Aim to eat fatty fish at least twice a week. Number 8. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most cost-effective and versatile foods for muscle preservation. The whole egg is a nearly perfect package of nutrients. A large egg has about 6 grams of high-quality protein that your body can use very efficiently. The yolk contains almost half of that protein, along with key nutrients like vitamin D and leucine amino acid that directly triggers muscle growth, even in older muscles. Don't worry about the cholesterol. Recent studies show that up to 7 eggs a week is safe for most people. Number 7. Nuts and seeds. Nuts, healthy fats, and micronutrients. Almonds, for example, provide protein and magnesium, a mineral that's essential for muscle contraction and energy. Walnuts contain a plant-based omega-3 that helps reduce inflammation, while pumpkin seeds are a great source of zinc, which is important for muscle maintenance. A small handful of mixed, unsalted nuts and seeds each day is a great way to protect your muscles. Number 6. Beans and legumes. Beans and legumes are an overlooked hero in muscle preservation. A cooked cup contains about 15 grams of slow-digesting protein and resistant starch, which feeds good gut bacteria. A healthy gut helps reduce the body-wide inflammation that contributes to muscle loss. Beans like black beans, lentils, and chickpeas are also packed with iron and magnesium, which are crucial for muscle energy and function. Try to include a few servings of beans or legumes in your diet each week. Number 5. Leafy green vegetables. It might seem surprising, but leafy greens like spinach and kale are essential for muscle health. They are rich in nitrates, which the body converts to nitric oxide. This compound improves blood flow, delivering more nutrients to your muscles. These greens are also full of magnesium and potassium, which are needed for proper muscle contraction. Furthermore, their high vitamin K content has been linked to significantly less age-related muscle loss. Aim for at least 2 cups of leafy greens daily. Number 4. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil contains unique compounds that directly combat. While it isn't a protein, its powerful anti-inflammatory properties are key. A compound in olive oil called oleocanthal works in a similar way to ibuprofen, reducing the low-grade inflammation that breaks down muscle. Olive oil also helps your muscles use protein more effectively. For the best results, use 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily in salad dressings. Number 3. Berries. Berries are crucial for protecting aging muscles. As we age, our muscles are more vulnerable to damage from free radicals. The compounds in blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries neutralize this damage. Berries also help manage inflammation and contain vitamin C, which supports the connective tissues around your muscle fibers. A cup of mixed berries, daily fresh or frozen, a delicious way to protect your muscles. Number 2. Lean beef. Lean beef offers a powerful combination of high-quality protein and other critical nutrients. A 4-ounce serving has about 25 grams of protein with an amino acid profile that S. Beef is especially high in leucine, the key amino acid that triggers muscle growth. It also provides creatine for energy, as well as highly usable iron and B vitamins. For the best benefits, choose lean cuts like sirloin or round and aim for 2 to 3 servings per week. Number 1. Whey protein. Whey protein. Whey protein. This dairy-based protein has the highest concentration of leucine, the amino acid that kickstarts muscle repair, even in older, resistant muscles. Whey is also digested very quickly, creating a rapid spike in amino acids that is highly effective at signaling muscle growth. Studies have shown that supplementing with whey protein can lead to significantly greater muscle maintenance. For optimal results, a scoop of 20 to 30 grams of whey protein after physical activity. Remember that preserving muscle is not just about how you look. It's the key to maintaining your independence, preventing falls, and supporting a healthy metabolism as you get older. By adding these foods to your diet, you can actively fight back against muscle loss and extend your quality of life for years to come.